Meaning of forewarn.
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 Forewarn. Forewarn means to inform or give advance notice about a potential danger, problem, or situation. The act of forewarning allows individuals to prepare and take appropriate action to minimize negative consequences. It is an essential tool that helps in avoiding potential risks and mitigating potential dangers. By forewarning, individuals can be better equipped to handle unexpected situations, make informed decisions, and prevent damage or harm. Overall, forewarning is crucial in promoting safety, preventing harm, and ensuring the well-being of individuals and communities.